Namaste. Om. I hope all of you are enjoying Kriya Kundalini sessions. So far we have put 3 sets of videos, step 1, step 2 and step 3. Step 1 was uploaded on 10th July 2020. Step 2 was uploaded on 1st August 2020. Step 3 on 22nd August 2020. For those who are just joining, please go to our website www.babajisannidhan.com. There on the right side you will find in a square red box YouTube. Press that and copy that link. The moment you press that, you will see all our videos from top to bottom. The top will be the latest one, the bottom will be the earliest one. You go to the date, whatever we have mentioned just above. On these dates you will find all the 3 steps video on Kriya Kundalini awakening. The 4th step gives a strong foothold for our sadhana, if at all we are calling sadhana. For our journey, if we are taking a long journey, a strong foothold is a must for us. So as a result of these expectations in our journey on a spiritual path, a spiritual journey, a journey to be going closer to Mahavatar Babaji, this 4th step assumes very important. We are still in the beginning of very starting primary stage in Kriya Kundalini awakening, but most of the members are enjoying. They have a feeling that they are able to achieve Kriya Kundalini awakening itself. But just only one scratch has happened. Nothing has happened or nothing more has happened. For this itself, there are so many calls we are getting. The participants are almost floating in happiness and blissfulness. Just imagine where we are going to stay, where we are going to stand, where we are going to be in this world or on this world when we complete all the steps which Babaji is going to grace us. The primary chakra on which we are concentrating as of now is Mooladhara chakra. There are other 6 chakras. We are not concerned about all these 6 chakras now at this stage. We have a long way to go to the 2nd chakra. So let us continue to stay in Mooladhara chakra itself. Some persons have asked us, once you are telling me to take the concentration to Mooladhara chakra, suddenly you are telling me to take the concentration to Agya chakra. How do I manage? Very simple. As and when you do an activity, take your concentration to Mooladhara chakra, because you are awakening the Mooladhara chakra. The Kundalini power is in dormant condition at Mooladhara chakra. So when you are doing an activity, you have to take your concentration to that particular part of your body. The moment you did the activation or the moment your activity is over, you need some relaxation. When you are relaxing, until unless we observe what has happened to the activity, we will not be able to go further. As a result, suddenly withdraw and come back to Agya chakra, where the consciousness resides. This we will talk little later in detail. So for time being, just assume the Agya chakra is the place where the Ida and Pingala join. There they get terminated. From there is no connection further to Sahasrara chakra. Ida and Pingala gets terminated and they do not travel further from Agya chakra to Sahasrara chakra. This please keep in your mind. Namaste.